So let me show you some quick tricks that you can do with a table once you've created it in terms of configuring. Turn editing on. Go to your edit settings so you can get into editing mode. Expand your workspace. If you click anywhere in the table, then right click, you're going to see this menu where you can go to table properties. In table properties you can change the number of columns, change your cell padding if you want to change the way it looks. Center alignment means that it's center of the page. Leave that. You can change the size with numbers if you don't want to drag it. You can get rid of the border if you want to get rid of the border. In advanced, you can change the border color by clicking on this drop down, and you can choose a color and change that. You can also change the background color as well. I'll show you just how that works. You can click apply, update, and you have that color. If you don't like the color, right click, table properties, go to advanced, just delete the color, update, and you go back to the way it was before. That's really all there is to it in terms of changing the color of your table and changing other aspects of it. If you click on right click on the right click as well, you're going to see that you can alter specific cells. You can add a row or delete a row. You can add a column or delete a column as well. I'd like to show you one more thing. Do you remember in the introductory, the actual training class, when you hovered over these icons, not only did a little title pop up, but the icon itself changed. It sort of faded away, and when you moved your mouse, it came back. Let me show you how to do that. You highlight the icon you want to add that effect to. Click on Insert Edit Image. Go to Advanced. Now, this is called Alternative Image. You click on the alternative image, go to Browse, click on that, and you want to upload a file. What you need to do is when you take your icon and you create your icon, you can use a graphics program like Publisher or Photoshop Element and take the icon and alter it so that it looks a little different, so that you can drain some of the color out of it. It takes a little bit of knowledge of how to use a graphics program, but if you have that ability, it does add a little bit to the course. So we're going to add this button, this faded week 1, to be the image when we hover over the icon. We're going to upload it. And then for mouse out, and this is a little confusing, you click Browse, you choose the original file, the week 1 image that is not faded out, the one you've already used. You have to add that again. You select that file. You have to click Overwrite because it knows that it's there already. Click Update, and when you hover over it, you see that it goes away. That's really all there is to it. All you need to know is how to use a graphics program. You don't have to do this, but it does add a little bit to the class.